right, another weekend of projects. First up is going to be working on finishing the welding for the legs for the patio table. One of the things that I ran into when I cut these is that once I get them cut and tapered, the tension in the bar causes the edge of the leg to pinch in. You might be able to see, probably not, but at any rate, it's about an 1/8 of an inch too narrow through here. So what I'm going to try to do is put a piece of wood in here to push it out so that when I weld it on, the edges will come up clean. I want it to look, do not complain about my welds, they will get better over time, so that it still stays fairly square. At least that's the goal today. The wood, once it gets in there, will catch fire, and hopefully I can get it welded up tight enough before they completely catch fire and fall out. So that's it for right now.